Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a call from a customer yesterday asking about this particular truck. So figured I'd get it hot, get a video, show the world what we've got. It's a 2016 Pete 386 48-inch flat top pre-elog glider kit, built with a 12.7 Detroit, 13-speed, 252 on the clock. Really nice, clean unit, body, paint, underneath. Everything's really nice. So I've got it hot this morning. Going to show you oil pressure and blow by and do a full walk around. Let's get started. Almost right at operating temp, but it's got great oil pressure on the low side. It's held up there nice, sounds good. Good responsiveness, good high side oil pressure as well. Obviously under load, I think a little bit of that would go down some, but that gives you a good indication of where you're starting from. Full gauges, platinum interior. Like I said, a smaller flat top, which is pretty cool. Window in the back. Don't think they probably use the sleeper bunk much. Still got the plastic in the floor there. Got a little bit of right here, which is pretty normal for a Detroit, but that's diamond seal right there in the trifecta, the diamond seal front cover gasket area there. Does have some blow by. It's not completely abnormal for a 12.7. Really good body. Paint overall is good. You've got just a couple of rock specks up on the front, on each side. That's that there. Your frame rails are extremely clean. Got all matched virgin rubber. It does have a little irregular wear. It is a cheaper tire and double coins there. Would explain a little bit of that. And that open shoulder tends to do that a little bit too. All aluminum wheels, slider. On brakes, skid brakes. Maybe a hair better than that. Appreciate you guys watching. I do think this is a pretty unique piece. You don't see a whole lot of smaller flat tops in a 386 like that. Dual stacks, pre-log, pretty neat unit. If you got questions on it or anything else that we've got, give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.